Pandas, pandas. TGIM pandas. Thank God it's Monday. Monday. You know why? Because we are back doing what we love most. See, if you are a member here, if you're a regular viewer here, you know, you look forwards to Mondays. Why? Because you get to come back to the greatest community on YouTube, verified, doing what we love most, verified, trading futures, verified. Thanks for joining, everybody. TGM. Hope everyone had an amazing weekend. Hope everyone's refocused. Everyone's ready to be better this week than they were last week. It's a new week, pandas. We're gonna just get better every single day here. That's the plan. Little spike in channel here right now. Pastor Fernando Rocha. Good morning, Kellyanne. Good morning. Kellyanne in the house early. Bright and early. Happy camper. Good morning, everybody. Let's get it. Get it. Blacklight Gypsy, good morning. Thanks for joining, everybody. Yeah, I just see a spike in channel right now. What's the point of seeing a spike in channel? Well, it's basically you're gonna follow the typical rules for channels. You're gonna get a break and then looking for that new low, then reversal. But the new low is not guaranteed, so typically I don't necessarily always look for the two-legged pullback afterwards. This is a two-legged pullback possibly forming here. Currently up almost 1900 on all my accounts. We are healthy here. Had a quick visit to Payout City, and I forgot some of my belongings, and I had to go back and then get them, and then we're going right back to Payout City, pandas. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, pandas. Blue Steel, good morning. Fun Day Monday. Expander, welcome. This is a journey, pandas, all right? It's a marathon, okay? You're going to trip up every once in a while. Like Rocky Balboa says, it's not how hard you can hit, it's not how hard you can hit, it's about how hard you can get hit and get back up. And that's how you end up with concussion and Parkinson's. Wayne Bignall, first day of Warpacanto. I hope it goes well. Let me know what you think. I'll say this: if you don't have any issues with the Apex copier and are already using it, don't even worry about it, right? If it ain't broke, don't fix it. But Replicanto, if you are having issues, I would say try out Replicanto, see if your experience is better. It is definitely for me. Expander. Best to be like Floyd Mayweather. Don't get hit very hard. What's the fun in that? What is the fun in that? you can dodge a wrench, you can dodge a ball. Rip patches. Quick news check. Currently no news today. But big news tomorrow. Big news tomorrow. Tomorrow is the big day. Core CPI month over month, CPI month over month, CPI year over year, 8:30 a.m. And if you've been holding on to those 90% off evals, waiting for a big news day, tomorrow's your day. Yesterday was rough, or Friday was rough. Price action on Friday was rough. Here are my trades. On stream trades, I took this one, and this one. Off stream, I took this. Here, you can see with the markers here. Might be a little hard to see, but you can see them if you look closely. Daily chart, just a rocket ship. It's creating an expanding pattern, which is quite annoying actually. It's expanding pattern on the daily chart, the weekly chart. It's just a bull bar on a weekly chart though. You're thinking always in long now, almost on the week, almost thinking that on the weekly chart, right? Breaking above the 20 MA. Essentially, this trap's failing, and now we make it a new high here. Strong bull bar. Bulls are always in long. Bears are maybe trying to get a pullback, maybe trying to come out break even on this bar that they sold there. There is quite a large gap on the 5-minute chart right here from Friday's trading. We may fill it today. Sometimes when you have days like this where like literally it doesn't go beneath, it doesn't touch 20 MA. After it breaks through it, it doesn't even it looks like it almost touches it right here, but technically it doesn't even touch it even right here on bar 70. You can see it's bar 70 because 71 here, 69 here. Bar 70 looks like it doesn't even touch, it looks like it touches, but it doesn't even touch it because it ends so high. But when you have days like this, that often happens. The next day it does the very opposite thing. On the next day it just will create a forever downtrend. It does happen. It does happen often. Not often, but it does happen. Or the daily chart is essentially just a big bull bar and then a big bear bar after. All right. The price action before market opens is horrendous. We're just gonna wait a little bit here. Daniel Boy Trader says, do we receive an email from Apex when the payout is completed as a confirmation? They do send you email once they tell you that they have sent, once they deposited the payout. They will send you email, and then after that email you might have to wait 2 or 3 days. Basically, the email tells you they initiated the direct deposit, and it takes about 2 or 3 days for it to settle. So you will get an email. You will get I think you'll get an email once it's approved, and then an email once they send it. Mowashi, welcome. Vegas Futures. Good morning. TGIM Pandas. Thank God it's Monday. Monday. Ready to trade. Ready to get it. Get that bamboo. All right. Market's about to open 10 seconds here. Let's get it. By the way, quick tip for any stream. Make sure you're watching 2x speed to catch the stream up as close as possible to real time. You should really only get like a 3-second delay on this stream. I am kind of looking for a 10,000 tick chart, new low on the 10K chart. I'm looking for a new low here, right? You gotta push down, and it's actually a two-legged pullback. First pullback, first entry, second pullback. So you got a two-leggy here. I'm looking for one more leg down on the 10K chart. Something like this. So I'm looking for. Oh, not looking for, that's what I'm expecting. Quite a large gap on the 5-minute chart. Right, closing, opening way beneath the previous day's close. It might be an attempt to try to fill the gap. Spike channel, breakup channel, looking for new low. Iron Cruise. Ding, ding, ding. Turtle Toes, good morning. Make sure you guys scalp that like button. Helps out this channel a lot. If you want to do something good today, scalp that like button. Potential second interest short here. I'm interested with a decent signal bar. I'm interested here. Give me a good signal bar and I'll be interested. All right, in this trade. Looking for a 1-to-1 here. We're coming off the 20 MA, looking for a new low as well. Ooh, it's just gonna rip my face off. The signal bar is decent. Big wicks, kind of though. It looks a little bit choppy. It does reverse on me. It's not good. It does reverse on me. I hate that. I hate the fact it did that. Ooh, I really hate the fact it did that. You can see with the first leg of the two-legged pullback, it's above the 20 MA. Ooh. Lean into your mistakes. Ooh, okay. In here, a double position. Now you got trap trade going towards the direction that you want to go. It's being a little sussy. It's being a little sus. I don't like it. Staying strong, staying strong. Okay, filled on that first position. Let's see if we get a runner here. We can say we can keep it like here. So, no, let's keep it here. Let's see if we get a runner. Runner, 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 runner. That's for you guys. Let's go, baby. Oh my god. Let's get that runner. Come on. Don't take my runner out. Come on. You know the drill. If we get another push down. If we get another push down. I'm turning Super Saiyan on. Ooh, that's a good looking bar for me. I love it. I'm looking for a new low. This is why I'm putting this here. Right, 10,000 tick chart, like I mentioned, we want that second leg down, looking for that new low. I already drew the lines out, and it's kind of going exactly how I thought it was going to go. Strong bear bar, ending on its low, 5-minute chart. That's a good sign for me. Hopefully we can get some continuation here. Some follow through. Ooh, I'd hate to lose his profits. I'd hate to lose them. Oh my god. Give me that new low, please. We got that second push down, but it's looking weak right now, pandas. It's looking very weak. I'm not even turning Super Saiyan on right now. If we end red, I'll turn Super Saiyan on. It's just not good enough. End red and I'll turn Super Saiyan, but right now it's not looking good. Give me a red bar. Ooh. Super Saiyan. Push. Push. Give me that new low. Give me that new low, please. Give me that new low. Give me that new low. Come on. Come on. I'm trying to protect some profits, but I don't know if it's worth. I don't know if it's worth. Come on. Sorry to take a quick phone call. Come on. It's getting a little choppy, but oh, I like this. I like this. Yes. Yes. More of this. More of this. Break the previous candle's low. Super Saiyan. Oh, push. 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 Push! So close. So close. Pandas. Nice red bar. Oh, nice bear bar. More follow through, please. More follow through. Ugh. No. No. Come on. Don't do it. Come on. Why? 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 All right. Okay. Calm down, pandas. Calm down. Calm down. It's just life-changing money. It's just life-changing money. It's okay. Just calm down, everyone. Reverse is there. I don't like that reversal. What can I say? Ooh, okay. But the reversal fails. You gotta love every failed reversal. Of course, there might be some pullbacks along the way, but we still haven't made a new low, which is why I feel safe here, right? Here's the low. Previous low. I think we're gonna break beneath it. I'm just gonna hold. I'm gonna say diamond cojones, pandas. This is why I do diamond cojones training every single day. Yeah, I don't like this bullish. I don't like this bullish behavior right now. Do not like it. I hope it doesn't just come up, take me out, and then come down. I hope it does not do that, pandas. We got the 20 EMA protecting us. Okay, so we got the 20 EMA protecting us. We're still okay here. Everyone calm down. Everyone calm down. All right, strong bull bar. Hopefully no follow through. We get another push down here. And you could potentially then just use this as your, where you protect your profit. Ooh, 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 pandas, pandas. Do you see this? Do you see this, pandas? Come on, give me a push down. Give me a push. Come on, give me some follow through here. Strong bear bar. Ah, it's getting sideways, getting sideways. Pandas. Ah. Come on. Okay, okay. Just give me another push down. Come on. No. Pandas. If you're going to type some P's in right now in the chat, this is the time. Because we need a push. Push. Give me your P's. Every P moves the market one tick down. Oh, no. No. What are you doing? Okay. Okay. Push. Push. Pandas. Come on. We can get it. We can get the new low. I believe. Diamond cojones. Come on. All those years of diamond cojones training must come in handy today. Oh, okay. Okay, that's good. You want to bounce off the 20 EMA. You want kind of the pullback a little bit here. In fact, it's creating a hidden second entry short, A, B, C. Which I don't mind. I don't mind because I'm not trading the hidden second short, but it's good confirmation for me to stay in this trade for now. Ooh, I almost want to extend my target, pandas. I almost want to extend my target. Peace. Push. Come on. Come on. Come on, pandas. You can do it. You can push. Come on. It's getting so choppy right now. It's getting so choppy. I almost want to get more than this, pandas. Am I being greedy? Am I being greedy? Am I being greedy, pandas? I'm getting more. I'm going to get more. If it breaks this low, I think we're going to get more. Oof. Ah, man, this is not looking good. It is struggling to push down here. But we're clearly underneath the 20 EMA, which is a good sign, pandas. So there's nothing to panic. Nothing to panic about here. Everyone just keep calm. Calm down, everybody. Stop freaking out. We got this. Chill. Just chill. Everyone just calm down. Calm down. We got it. Just let it happen. Push! Push! Am I being greedy here, pandas? Am I being greedy? Give me a 1 in the chat if I should get more profits here. Give me a 2 if I should put it back right here. Give me a 2 here. Give me a 1 here. 2, 1. 2, 1. The reason being, 10,000 tick chart, trap trade setting up. Trap, 10,000 tick. Thinking that could be a monster move. 5-minute chart, just bear bars right now. You're thinking monster move on the 10,000 tick trap trade. Just going completely sideways right now. What is this, pandas? Ugh, I don't like this. No follow through on any bars right now. It's becoming more 50-50 as it progresses, but we are underneath the 20 EMA, which at least for us slightly puts it in our favor here. It puts it in our favor. Now it's a true second entry short, or before it was a hidden second entry, now it's an actual second entry short. Pandas, what is this? What is this? What happened? Oh well. I am holding on to this no matter what. We are, I think, looking fine here. We're still underneath the 20 MA. Got a second entry short forming here, but it's going completely sideways. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14. Once there's 20 bars overlapping, this is pretty much 50-50. No matter where you are. 20 bars overlapping, that's... Peace! Push! Pandas, we got our second entry short. Come on. Come on. Push. Push! What is that?
10,000 tick trap.
No! $10,000 tick trap. This is what I'm looking for. This is why I'm extending my target here. Right, looking for a 1-to-1 on the 10,000 tick chart. This will bring me to here. It makes sense for me. Let's do it, pandas. I'm gonna bring this down here. And we're going to protect some profits here, right? We're going to protect about $125 of profits, and thinking that, this is kind of a consolidation area. If we break above here, it can come all the way up, taking me out anyways. But if we push down again, we can still potentially capture some of this move. So I think we're okay here. I think this is a proper place to put your stop, kind of above this consolidation. We're going to use that price action to help us dictate where we put our stop loss. 10,000 tick chart. We're so close to setting that trap here. We want the trap to trigger. Basically, when we break this low, when we break the low of this consolidation, we will trigger the trap on the 10,000 tick. Just what I'm looking for. Oh my! Trap trade to the downside potentially here. Oh man, I really hope it doesn't take me out. I'm going to protect some profits here. I'm pretty much protecting about half my profits that I've gained so far. Remember, we've already hit static thresholds, so threshold is not a thing anymore. It doesn't matter. Threshold is not what I'm concerned about at this point. So I don't mind quote unquote losing threshold here. Threshold is not a thing I'm thinking about at this point. So I'm willing to, whatever, protect my profits here or there. Doesn't matter. But we got a trap trade triggering, pandas, potentially on 2 charts. It's just too sideways though. I'm gonna sit in my pause here. I'm already in this trade, so I'm just gonna take it as is. Right? I'm just going to basically, I'm just quote unquote taking it because I'm just in the trade already. So I'm just hoping it triggers. It just gives me more confirmation on my premise here. We're gonna push down one more time. Big push, pandas. Right? 10,000 tick chart, trap trade. 2,000 tick chart, trap trade. Hard time getting above the 20 MA here. We are looking okay here, I think. I think we're looking good. We break it. We triggered a trap on the 2,000 tick. We have not yet triggered it on the 10,000 tick chart. Just sitting on my pause. Not going to do anything here, I think. I'm happy here. I'm happy with how I'm managing this setup. We got a runner here protecting some profits. You would hate to get tick shotted. I would hate to get tick shotted here, pandas. I'm hoping I don't, but I would hate it. I think the game plan is just to take, just to get hit here if we do. Pandas. No joy here. No joy. What is this? What is this? Oh. What is going on, pandas? This is so sideways. We trigger a... Good signal bar again. Second entry short again. Goodness gracious, what's happening? Potential trap trade here. Could reverse us here. I would hate to see it, pandas. I would hate to see it. But I think I'm managing this correctly. I'm just gonna keep it like this. I think I'm managing this correctly, pandas. Don't get me wrong. I think I'm doing this right. If I get hit here, I'll protect, 2.5 points. Unfortunately, this might take me out here. It's gonna trap trade. How annoying is that though, pandas? How frustrating is that?
10,000 tick
Just
trap.
how frustrating is that? It triggers a trap. This is super frustrating, pandas. Hopefully the trap fails. Trap fails, I may go in short here. I may go in again here if the trap fails here. It was such a high chance for me to get stopped out right there. Such a high probability for me to get stopped out here. Goodness gracious. I think I'm doing this right though. I don't have any complaints right now. I could always re-enter if I think it's gonna keep going down, but at least I protect some profits here. Oh, it's definitely taking me out, huh? Goodness gracious, pandas. Does it give me slippage? No slippage, good. Pandas, I'm sorry. I know I tried. And it just went completely sideways on me. Pandas. I mean, we got our bamboo still. Again, threshold doesn't make a difference for me, so I don't mind swinging a little bit and getting stopped out. Protecting my profits because threshold does not matter at this point. We still have potential trap trade on the 10K chart I may be interested in. Right, 10,000 tick chart trap trade still in play. I would have loved it if it triggered before it took me out, but it is what it is. It's just, it is what it is, pandas. At least I protect myself. 2.5 points. I don't mind 2.5 points. It's a little more than just scalping out completely, right? So I made a little bit more than just scalping out with all my whole position. So can't complain about that. Pandas, it is what it is. But what a move down, right? Big push down. Just get stopped out right here before we can really capture the big move we're really looking for. Breaking this low here. 10,000 tick chart. I may take this trap trade. I'm interested in this trap actually. We still haven't made that new low yet, even though it might be a double bottom at this point. I hate that consolidation. I hate that. Jeez. It is what it is though, pandas. What can you do? I made bamboo, so can't complain about that. Green is green. Green is green though, pandas, yeah? Let's just celebrate our small victories here as we make our way back into payout city. If the trap does trigger, I'll be interested still, I think. 10,000 as long as the risk is not too large. The signal bar is not too horrible. Okay, 4 pushes up here. We got an L4 setup. L4 may trigger a big push down here. I wouldn't be surprised. Again, I'll take the setup here on the 10,000 tick chart. Trap trade here. $60.
10,000 tick
Okay.
trap.
Sure. I'll take a 1-to-1 here. Let's see if we get it. I might lose out my profits that I've gained already, but it's all good. I gotta take the setup if I see it. Strong bear bar, 2000 tick chart. Right, that L4 setup scalps out. Actually, it doesn't scalp out yet. Very close to scalping out. I can see this as it is. It's just complete consolidation at this point. I still think we need a new low. The setup here is getting worse and worse as this candle's forming. Super annoying. A 1-to-1 trade. It's basically where I wanted it before. in this trade, trap trade, 10,000 tick chart. I'll take 2.5 points if it happens immediately. But if it starts to wiggle around here a little bit, I gotta go for the full 1-to-1. But if I can get 2.5 points like right now, I'll take it. I'll settle for that. Just give me 2.5 points quickly. Woo! I'll take it. I'll take a quick scalp here if it's 2.5 points. Trap trade 10,000 tick chart. I'll take the quick 2.5 here. Right, I'd rather just, if I can get a quick profit, I'll take it. So I don't have to hold it all the way to here. I don't mind that, but if we wiggle around here, if I don't get it in one bar, I'm gonna extend it down to here and let it ride out to the end. 2.5 points here. If I can't get it in one bar, I'm extending it. If I can't get this profit in one bar, I'm getting a 1-to-1. Whew! Oh. I'll take it. Got some more bamboo. I wish I didn't have to. I wish, you know, man, if I actually just held my original stop loss, I would have been safe and I could have basically taken that profit. But I basically made it back up with this move down. So, I'm not complaining, pandas. I'm not complaining. It just sucks that I had to get stopped out before re-entering again. But it is what it is, right? I took my quick profits, pandas, because even though you should look for a 1-to-1 here, the fact that it finishes so quick, think about your probabilities. Your probability was 100% to get the 2.5 points. It's 100%. Like I realized it. It's final. So even though you can look for the 1-to-1, which is still viable here, in my opinion, probability for risk reward, I think it was worth it. Right? Your probability is 100%, and you got 2.5 points. So it's done, right? You know, the moment I realized this, it was 100% profit, and that's it. You know, I like the 2.5 points there because it happened so quickly. I don't have to wait now for the whole 1-to-1 to finish. I'm just happy to step away from it with my profits. If it took a while, actually, I would actually extend it because it's taking longer. I know it sounds counterintuitive, but if it takes longer, I'm actually going to stay with my 1-to-1. Because at that point the probability is pretty much the same throughout the entire trade. But here, when it's already 2.5 points, I'll just take it. When we make that new low, right? That's what I was aiming for this entire time. 10,000 tick chart. I drew it out a while back. If you guys saw, I drew this blue line with 2 legs down. Unfortunately, it wasn't perfect. It made one more leg up and then pushed down to where I thought it was gonna go. But new low was created anyways. So really anyone's game now. It could be bulls or bears. I was anticipating this move down. And good management right there. Good trade management in my opinion, right? I'm glad I just took that profit because now I don't have to risk this from happening, right? This could happen. Even though you're a strong bear bar, this very thing that I was scared of is going to happen is happening. And you know, but I'm already on my trade because I was happy with my quick scalp rather than the less probable swing trade.
$10,000 tick trap. $10,000 tick trap.
How far are we? We're 250 away from 350 away from payout city. And payouts don't happen until November 15th, so we got basically 2 more days of trading. I'm happy with my 387. Sticking to the plan. I don't think I mismanaged that at all though. I think I managed that just. I managed that fine. I managed that fine. I think I did that okay. I don't mind. I don't mind getting that stop out, right? Protecting some profits, especially because my threshold's static now. So it doesn't really matter if I stay in a swing and then take my profits later. Eventually, this might get a 1-to-1 before breaking this high, which is fine. It's just I don't have to now. I don't have to wait in this risk here. There's no more risk for me. 2000 tick chart is showing clearly trading range at this point. Going above the 20 MA, beneath the 20, back above the 20 MA. Trading range indicator, easily recognizes this trading range. Getting another push down here. Interesting. What setup do I like? Well, I see a trading range here, so my setups right now, I just don't have any. You could, buy limit orders down here, sell with limit orders here. You can do that, but that's just not what I do on this. That's not a setup I typically do. I think that setup is low probability, bad risk reward. I just, it's not a trade I like. Second entry short. I'm staying away from this, pandas. This is getting tricky. But trading range indicator marked perfectly where we bounced off of. You can see the trading range indicator has this line up here and went straight up to that line and bounced off of it. Second entry short here, trap trade. It's a Pikachu trade, looking for another push down. And the 10,000 tick chart at the end, it can get that 1-to-1 eventually. Right, the 1-to-1's down here, where this blue line is. And, for me, it's more like, not that I didn't think I can get to 1-to-1, but for me, I'd rather just take the profits and not have to risk something like this from happening and then potentially taking me out. I hope that makes sense, Pendus. The quick profit was worth it in terms of probabilities and risk reward.
$10,000 tick trap.
What is it? Better to have one bird in your hand than 5 in a bush or something? I don't know. 20,000 in a bush? I don't know. Something like that. Again, look how crazy this is. This is all risk that you have to hold through right now if you didn't take your profits. Plus, I did recognize that we were in a trading range, so this could be potentially failed breakdown of it, coming back into it. Wow, that sucks. For those who are swing trading, trying to get that 1-to-1 there, that's not good. You don't want to see that. No one wants to see that. Again, buying with limit orders, selling with limit orders up here. amazingly, pandas, you're still in this trade. If you're looking for a 1-to-1 on the 10,000 tick chart, you're still in this trade, and you got saved by one single tick. Sorry, 2 ticks, because your stop loss would be up here. Currently, 20 EMA protecting, giving you some protection here, acting as resistance. GC Burke says a bird in the hand is worth 2 in the bush. In other words, don't be a that's a modern way to put it. Let's just say that. That is a modern day way to put it. Five-minute chart showing now signs of trading range. Big push down and then starts getting very choppy.
$10,000 tick trap.
Interesting. Okay. So good trade management there. We just got stopped out if you were looking for that 1-to-1 in that trade. Oof, that's rough, right? That's a trap trade that fails on the 10K chart. 5-minute chart, still showing pretty much choppy here. By the way, pandas, I'm Buy My Money. If you're new to the channel, thanks for joining. Hope you guys are enjoying the content so far. Make sure you guys scalp that like button if you haven't already. It helps out this channel a lot. It's one of the best things you can do for this channel, to be honest. I do appreciate whoever likes to support this channel. Pandas, we trade the Emini every single day here, 9:15 till around 10:45, 11ish, somewhere in that time period. Trading pure price action with the best community on YouTube verified. You're currently watching the most profitable trader on YouTube verified as well. I get a lot of comments. A lot of the comments that I get. So if you look at the titles of my videos, it says like plus $8,000, something like that. And people are quick to comment to say, you didn't make $8,000, you lost money on the stream. Well, if you just take 1 second just to think about it, what I put in the title is actually the accumulation of all the profits across my four accounts that I've been showing every single day, top left of your screen. And if you guys don't know what that is a rhythmic capture of what's happening with my Apex accounts. And they are fully funded. And we are up pretty much around what? Quick math, I can't do it. 2,000, 8,000, maybe around almost $9,000 ish.
$10,000 tick trap.
So if you do get a little tripped up saying, why did Buy My Money put that in his title when he lost money on the stream? Just know that I'm just putting the accumulation of all my profits across 4 accounts. And think about it. That is much harder to do than just putting whatever you make or lose during stream. Because me putting all the profits in the title only means one thing, pandas. That I'm the most profitable trader on YouTube, verified. You can only truly do that if you're profitable. We'll push down. 10,000 tick chart, even though it does come up, it fails, right? It basically bounces off the 20 May. Still trading range, pretty much it looks like. It's going completely sideways. It's crazy. Limit order traders are having a grand old time. They're just selling maybe a point or 2 points above the previous highs. And they're probably going to sell or buy near the low here. Future asks, how do you get the midpoint? Sorry, let me read some of these. Wait, but no, says glad you're stopping while you're this close to payouts. Am I stopping? I'm still trading here. Black Light Gypsy says, congrats. Together, okay. Christopher Lopez asks, are you in New York, Panda? I am not in New York. I'm in the bamboo forest here. Pierre shows us, how do you get the midpoint to show in your channel? Create a channel, right click it, go to properties, and there is a option near the bottom where it says levels. And then you can add levels there, and I just put one at the 50% level. So it creates this little line in the middle of the channel. I make it lighter because otherwise the charts get very messy. So I just, yeah. So. What we got here? It's not price action that I like trading, to be honest. It's completely I recognize this is a trading range. I do recognize that. I recognize it forming way back here when we got almost 20 overlapping bars in a row. Even though I recognize the problem is I just don't know how to trade this. I don't know how to trade this well. It's very hard for me to time these bounces. It's hard. For me. It's more like almost feel. Like you gotta feel it out, and I'm just not about the feel. I'm not about that feel trading. Water push. Okay. 5-minute chart maybe wanting to test 20 EMA at this point. And for that reason, I am just sitting on my paws. GC Burke said, I had an embarrassing experience about 6 months ago. I was $16 away from passing an eval. I got anxious to finish it and took an unadvised trade. Long story short, I ended up blowing the account. That was a wake-up call. I'm not gonna lie, but that's a cute story. That's a really cute story. Join the club. Join the club. Goodness gracious. Of course, everyone's, sensitivities and tolerances are different, but man, that is a common thing that happens. That is a common thing that happens. It does happen near even for me, like right now, I'm very close to payouts. And it's just like, there's this little demon inside you that says, you got to keep trading until you hit that, hit that goal so you can get the payout or pass the eval or whatever it is. If there's like this actual goal you need to hit, a little demon inside you that just makes you do some crazy stuff saying, just, that's bound to work. Just take your chances. It's not worth the pain of trying to wait for the next day for a good trading day and just get it there with your plan. It's not worth it. That little demon, you gotta learn to just kill it. Kill it. Kill that demon. Kellyanne did something even worse. She says she actually busted a finished account. Ooh, that really hurts. Expander says, that's not a demon. That's just human nature. Smart people are goal-oriented. Well, let's just say there's a little demon inside all of us. All right, we're just chilling here. We do have Big Mama potentially. Maybe you might hit today. I don't know. I don't think so. But who knows? I mean, if we get to that level, we hit Big Mama, I'll take it. Panda, there is news tomorrow, CPI numbers. It's going to be a big one, I think. Potential big news event. Enough to be able to pass maybe any account. It could be any account. The reason why CPI numbers, or why I think it's going to be big news, is because CPI gives you a measurement, gives the Fed a measurement of inflation. And right now, inflation is all the rage. Every single time CPI comes out, the market's already thinking what the Fed is going to do with interest rates. And they are, it just potentially moves the market huge. So. Kyle L says, got me red day, daily loss limit trigger, time to review and re-educate. That is trading. It is what it is. Peter Chill Green today. Let's go, baby. Let me see how well you guys are doing today. Market just went completely sideways. Lost all volatility, essentially. Look at this channel. I mean, it's just bouncing in and out of it. Jeez. 20 EMA it means nothing right now. It means absolutely nothing right now. It's just going in and out of it like it doesn't exist. Marcus Vaughn says, red, $16 today. Calling it a day. Bill 7 joining in now. Hey, doesn't matter. I appreciate it. Reminding everyone what's good. My man. At the end, Kyle L, even though you're red, I think you have a winning day because you stick to the plan. And the idea is if you continue to stick to the plan, your green days will be more than your red days. Let's see here. Yeah, I may be not able to find another setup here because this price action currently is not the price action I like. This is very choppy. Went back and forth along this channel here. It's getting pretty wild. I mean, the obvious thing you can do is just sell up here, buy down here, right? Buy low, sell high. That's the plan right now, but very difficult for me. The main reason being is because most days it doesn't do this. Most days it doesn't give you this really perfect type trading range. And when it does happen, it's just hard to anticipate it for me. At this point, it feels like it's late in the trading range, so I'm just going to let it ride out and Okay, getting it pushed out. Second entry short on the 10,000 tick chart. Balancing out the 20 EMA. It's really sideways. Like this price action, right? When you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14 bars. This is the 10,000 tick chart. In a row, just overlapping. What can you do? 5-minute chart as well. When it started doing this, the markets start to signal we're going into a trading range, and that's exactly what we're doing here. This is nasty. It's nasty. Doesn't quite touch the 20 EMA yet, so I don't know what that means. That could mean something. If you're a good trading range trader, this is it. This is the dream come true. Like if you anticipate trading ranges all the time, then this is your day. You're like, this is what you've been waiting for a long time. I, on the other hand, like to trade momentum. I like to trade big pushes. I like to trade. To me, that just seems more reliable, which is debatable, I guess. But at least for me, it's easier to anticipate and see when it does happen. When your price action goes in and out of the 20 minute like this, it just tells you that the market is uncertain, giving you some pretty unpredictable stuff to happen, in my opinion. But hey, some people's dream is this, they love this. It's just not my dream. One man's dream is another man's nightmare. Whew. That's deep. Someone write that down. Someone get that tattooed. Goodness gracious. Okay. 5-minute chart. Kind of what I was anticipating. Potentially, I think it's going to try to test the 20 EMA here. I think. And then maybe push down. But what do I know? Black light going on my epitaph. Are you playing Zelda or something? Oof. Oof. Wow, 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 wow. I mean, it's kind of like fascinating to see how uniform this is. Just how nice and neat this the bounces are on this channel. It's unbelievable how perfect this is. It's literally like when people draw like examples to show you like patterns. This is what they draw, like just perfect down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. It's just the zigzag. You don't see that in real life. Crazy. 5-minute chart has yet to touch the 20 EMA, which is concerning. It makes things a little bit confusing because you're thinking it wants to touch 20 before it makes a really big move. Going to funerals. Oh, okay. I got it. Very close testing the 20 EMA. Wow. It might just come back to the bottom of this channel. I mean, I don't know. I don't know. If you're a person who trades channels like this where you just sell the top, buy the bottom, yeah, that is just, I don't know why that is so difficult for me. It's incredibly difficult for me. I think it's because I just never, I don't have a trading plan for it. I really don't have a trading plan for it. I'm assuming you try to scalp it out, 2 points, limit orders up here, maybe a 1-to-1. You lose 2 or gain 2. I don't know. Okay, finally touched the 20 EMA on the 5-minute chart. That took a long time, but we eventually got there. I don't know. Maybe it's worth going short here, back to the bottom of the trading range. I don't know. Pandas? I'm just a panda. I don't know these things. It makes sense that it might want to come back down here just because it's been doing that for the last 30 minutes. Turtle says, guys, can I get your opinion? My friend had a dream he was at my funeral the other night. And it's really been getting to me. Ooh, interesting. I don't know. I mean, I would say don't worry about it, but Turtles had death dreams about his dad for a year and he ended up passing. Ah, interesting. Yeah, I mean, one's personal life experience could really feed into something like that. I get it. It could be scary. Let's say, there's 2 ways I would approach this. One, if I'm just a friend listening in, I'll just say, hey, that's crazy. That's crazy. Yeah, I get it. If I was 2, another way is I would just say, don't think about it. Don't worry about it. It doesn't mean anything. A person's dream doesn't mean anything. You know, so I got 2 opposing things happening in my brain to respond to that. So all I can say is just nothing. I don't know. Hello, Benjamins. Welcome. At home sick with the flu, but still trading. Let's go, baby. Nothing's going to stop us from doing what we love most. Not even a flu. Not even a flu. I don't know. I don't know if I'm going to go long here. Seems a little bit sus. It's a strong bull bar ending on its high, near its high on the 5-minute chart. I think trading range still. I think we might be contained just basically within the range here of this bar. I don't know. I just know nothing here is good enough for me to really want to take a trade. Hugh says 2 consecutive bull bars ending near their highs on the 5 minute. Albrooks trade right there. Yeah, I mean you could consider it's always in long maybe. I would think you would need 2 bull bars above the 20 MA to be honest. You also got to look at the left of the chart, seeing how choppy it's been. I think the market cycle here does not indicate that we will be always in long. I could be wrong, of course, high chance of me being wrong here, but um, I just think there's not enough information. I don't feel confident just going long right here. I don't, and putting my stop wear down here. I just feel like this is trading range, and we can come all the way back down here easily, just because of how choppy we've been. So I think the market to me is telling me our market cycle is more like a trading range than a strong trend. And it makes sense because tomorrow is big news. So the market could just be waiting for the big news tomorrow. We could just be kind of stuck in this range for a long time. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 overlapping bars. You got outside bars here, inside bars. Just a lot of wicks, tails. To me, it just seems very choppy. Choppy. Hello Benjamin says, is 71% off the new is off the new 50% off Apex? You know what? I think it is. It seems like they don't go any lower than 71% now. It just seems like that's the standard, which is nice. I'll take it. It's such a random number though, no? 71%? Why do they think why 71%? It's such a weird number. Wow, a lot of you guys are having a tough day today. I didn't expect that. A lot of you guys are having 21% of you guys having a negative day today, which is surprising. Not really that surprising seeing how choppy it is, but I just didn't think it would be too difficult. At least it makes sense. I mean, it is very choppy. I guess I got maybe lucky here. These 2 trades I was in. Okay. We could be reversing here. I don't know. Bouncing at the top of this channel. Should I just go short here? I don't know. Strong bear bar, right? 5 minute chart. You got 2 bull bars with no follow through, just a strong bear bar following after. Potential trap trade, 5,000 or 5 minute chart, 5,000 minute chart. This is interesting. I don't know if the trap triggers here. I don't think I'll be interested just because I feel like the market is telling me this is more of a trading range than anything. But who knows? Who really knows? It's a bit confusing for me at the end. Plus, also the 2000 tick chart, it just looks ugly. Like, do I really want to buy if we're up here near the top of this channel? I don't know. Dang, Jessica Crow coming up with a super spiritual interpretation of that dream, saying that maybe you're just dying to your old self. I love that. Maybe your old self of trading. Maybe this means that your old self of trading is gone. The new has come. Ruben, welcome back. GC Burke says, bad dreams just tell me I haven't been praying enough and I've let fears creep in. All right. Oh, what is this? Trap trade potential here. 10,000 tick chart actually creates a micro double bottom. I don't know. Really do not know here. Trap trade here, pandas. Do I like it? This is too confusing. Another thing about choppy markets is that this setup typically would be a good setup, but choppy markets, traps fail all the time. Good setups fail all the time. Bad setups work all the time. It's just, you know, that's kind of one of the marquee things about a choppy market. All right. I mean, you can only take what the market gives you, and the market's giving you this. I just don't feel confident in anything here. I guess we got kind of lucky just getting that initial move down with this trap. It went completely sideways. Takes my stop out, you know, protect some profits here. And entered again here and got my 2.5. Jeez. Five-minute chart to trap may trigger it. This might be a good setup for some of you guys. I wouldn't blame you if you took this. I mean, because the risk reward is very good here, right? You can get a nice 2-to-1. You can maybe get the gap fill here. You can maybe even get Big Mama to trigger here. I just think there's a lot of potential profits here. It's just you gotta be willing to take the proper swing trade, which is your stop loss is probably underneath this pivot here or this pivot here, and you're willing to hold it. Even maybe under this pivot here, and you're just willing to hold it unless you see like 2 bear bars or something like that. I just don't like how, you know, the 5-minute, even though it's creating a trap here, the 2,000 tick chart looks ugly, right? It doesn't look like it wants to break out to the upside. It doesn't look like it wants to break out to the downside. It just looks like it wants to keep going sideways. This is why I'm sitting on my pause, even though there's a potential trap, which is pretty rare. Not rare, but, you know, it's just, it could be a very powerful setup on the 5-minute chart. It's just, jeez. No other, it's just too many red flags for me. Too many red flags. It's like when you meet a really pretty girl, but literally everything about them is terrible. I don't know, they have terrible friends, terrible personality. They don't have a sense of humor. They have peas for brains. They're just, you know, they don't treat you well. It's like one of those. Like, you know, it's like a pretty girl, but everything about them is terrible. This is how it is. Too many red flags. Just let it go. Turtle says the market is a hot chick is what you know what? There's so many like metaphors I can make with relationships and the market. Is actually kind of scary. And for some reason the market is always a very crazy girl. Just a crazy girl. Maybe because I'm a guy. That's the only way, you know, that's just that's just my experience. Well, I can draw from, I guess. Jonathan says, my wife was mad at me yesterday. Apparently, I cheated on her in her dream. I had no idea. Very interesting feeling telling her I was... You know what? I gotta put a poll up. I gotta put a poll up for that. Do you say sorry to your spouse if they had a cheating dream? I'm curious to see what you guys are thinking. And this trap ends up actually working out here. Beautiful. I mean, crazy to take that trap, in my opinion, but. Ruben asks, I wonder how girls would do their analogy in the market. They may say the same thing. Kelly Ann says, I'm old, but seems to me people who are suspicious are usually doing the dirt they are worried about. That's true. Very true. Oh, wow. Look at this move. I mean, finally breaking out here with this trap trade. The trap ends up working out. It's just crazy, like, to me that it would do that just because it's so ugly leading up to it. I don't know. It might create a big wick here. I don't know. It's just nasty. I can't take that trade. Cannot do it. Gives you a nice little 3-pointer though. 1, 2, 3-point scalp. Plus, you're like buying it at the top of this trading range or this channel, ascending channel, hoping for a breakout of ascending channel. I'm not hoping for that. 38% of you guys say yes. That is fascinating. I am fascinated. Do you say sorry when your spouse tells you you cheated on me in my dream? Say sorry right now. Like, I don't know. 35% of you guys are saying yes. Como Fafa just says, I got out of a swing from 44.12 using the 15 minute. Let's go, baby. Congratulations. Nasty trade. What? More than that's about a 12-point trade. Honestly, my response might just be I'll just laugh. I'll just laugh like you're crazy. You crazy. You crazy. The response back would be, "Oh, so you don't deny it." I guess I'll get my dream divorce papers. I'll get a dream divorce then. What? Michelle says, when I have those dreams, my husband says, His dream self is being a jerk. Yeah, maybe that. Say, I am not sorry as the physical reality being here, but my dream self says sorry. Kellyanne says, "You're dreaming of me blocking you." Black Light Gypsy, yeah. Kellyanne doesn't have to say sorry. It was just a dream. What is going on? I can't trade this market right now. Yeah. It's wild. It's really wild. All right, Penis. I think that's it for today. We're up 387. My two trades I took a second entry short here, looking for the spike channel, break a trend, looking for new low. So I took the short here with a decent signal bar, and I was looking for that 1-to-1. Entered again on a second position with the trap heading towards my target, and so I got a scalp there. Swung this one to a little bit more, just a little bit more, and then re-entered on the trade, the trap on the 10,000 tick. Got that 2.5. That was my trading from this morning, and really was hard to find a good setup afterwards. I mean, you do get like a second entry long here. But it's just weird to take it here, in my opinion. It's just hard to say. Like, I would be kicking myself if I took this trade, bad signal bar, um, and come in top of a trading range, essentially, or channel. And if I took this trade and traps, it comes down here, I would just be kicking myself, saying, why did I take that trade? I just, I don't like to be in a position. The only time I like to take a trade is if I lose it, I'm still happy with taking the setup. That's kind of like the trades I like to enter in, right? Where you say, I don't even care if I lose this because I just have to take it. That's the kind of setups that I look for. I didn't have that feeling anywhere in this whole sequence here. So it is what it is. But Pandas 8, I'm not going to pay up 387. We're going back to Payout City, and hopefully we can get there by November 15th through the 20th. Anytime in that period, you're viable for a nice payout. Hopefully we can get there. So, Pandas, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. 9:15 for the mainstream, 9 o'clock for the pre-market show. Hope to see everyone there. It's been great, honestly. This is I'm not gonna lie, I love doing this. I love being here with you guys, and it's great. So see you guys tomorrow. Have an amazing rest of your day. Trade safe, everyone. Stick to the plan. Good things will happen. Respect your stop losses. Trade small, and I will hopefully see you guys tomorrow. So with that being said, happy trading. God bless. Bye.